Hello viewers, I am Ayaz. Today I will teach you how to improve your reading skills by reading novels. Uh, Principles of creative cooperation. I take as my guide the hope of assent in crucial things until in important things, diversity in all things, generosity. Inaugural address of President George Bush. When Sir Winston Churchill was called to head of the war effort for Great Britain, he remarked that all his life had prepared him for this hour. In a similar sense, the exercise of all the other habits prepare us for the habit of synergy. So here we mainly focus on the term synergy. Do you know what is synergy? So I will tell you. Synergy means the teamwork. Teamwork means two or more people together and think about a matter. It is called a synergy or group or teamwork. So when properly understood, synergy is the highest activity in all life. Yes, if we will together and we will work on something, then definitely we will complete the work in within a time. So that's why synergy is important in every aspect of life. So if we will follow up this synergy, then our work will be complete on the schedule of given time. So synergy is important in everyone's life, so we should do our work in the form of synergy. So the true test and the manifestation of all the other habits put together. The highest form of synergy focus on the four unique human endowments, the motive of win-win, and the skills of empathic communication on the toughest challenges we face in life. What results is almost miraculous. We create new alternatives, something that wasn't there before. Thank you so much. I am hopeful that you have understood this paragraph. Thank you so much.